Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Farmers Insurance for Agent Communications, detailed guide step. To authorize with Farmers Insurance for Agent Communications, start by visiting the official Farmers Insurance website. Locate the Customer Support section on the homepage. Click on Contact Us for assistance with authorization procedures. You may be prompted to log into your Farmers Insurance account. If you don't have an account, follow the link to create one. Provide your email address and choose a secure password. After logging in, navigate to the Account Settings menu. Look for the Communication Preferences option. Select the option to authorize agent communications. You might be asked to enter your policy details for verification. Ensure all provided information is accurate and matches your records. Once verified, you can specify the types of communications you want to receive. Review the privacy policy to understand data handling practices. After making your selections, click on the Save button to confirm your preferences. You will receive a confirmation email outlining your authorization changes. Check your email and follow any necessary steps in the confirmation message. If you encounter issues, return to the Customer Support section for assistance. Consider calling the customer service number provided if you need immediate help. Once authorized, you'll be able to communicate more effectively with your farmer's insurance agent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.